Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I wanted to come out here and do something with this hunk of fatwood that I could not beat my knife through the other day. And it's just because of this, gnarled up part right here. I'm going to cut that gnarled up part off and then go ahead and split these down into much smaller fatwood sticks than those are. But you know, it's been out here sitting in the sun, and I noticed, can you see those beads? Let me get on the other side of the camera. Can you see those beads right there of sap coming out of it? The other end is really oozing sap in this sun. I made the mistake of sticking my thumb in it before I got to show it to you. Look at the sap oozing out of that fatwood. Oh, lovely. I used some WD-40 on that, or some purple power to get it clean. All right. I'm gonna put you on time lapse because I'm gonna take my time with it. I'm gonna get it much smaller than that, especially since it's so rich. You don't really need a lot of the fatwood when it's good and rich like that. Here's what we ended up with. A little bit smaller. All these pieces are curved, but we'll put a Canadian hitch on it. This is a Canadian hitch. Let me show you how to tie it. It's really simple. All right, let me show you how to tie the Canadian hitch so we can bundle these up. You're supposed to have a one stop knot on here, but I'm going to put two because I want to use one of the knots as a little handle. So we'll put a knot on the end. That's what I'm going to use to pull it, to make it loose. Like I'm pulling that loose right there. This one here tightens it. This one here loosens it. Well, I'm going to have this stop knot, and I'm going to have a stop knot right here, something for me to hold on, which is this. Now we'll put another knot in it, right here. Now, we're just simply going to tie this end around here with a half hitch. We will open it up and try to get our bundle in there. Tighten it down. Now, when I tighten this down, that stop nut is going to slide up against that half hitch and lock it in place. Now, and there it is. In order to undo it, all you have to do is open this right here in order to tighten it up. So, and let's leave it a little bit long. Let's try that. All right, y'all. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. That'll make a good thumbnail right there, won't it? Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.